Hello everyone! Are you ready to see a property with unlimited luxury?
Close to the best beaches and golf courses? The large windows and glass doors allow the Mediterranean light to flood the spaces, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere that invites you to enjoy. Discover the architectural gem that has redefined luxury on La Costa del Sol. This stunning modern villa, built in 2020, stands majestically on Marbella's coveted Golden Mile. In a small and exclusive gated community, just steps away from the acclaimed Puente Romano luxury resort.
Can you imagine having your own wellness retreat and private sauna, hammam? Welcome to private cinema room with views of the pool interior. Wine cellar, and much more.
Set on a private plot of 1,628 square meters, this magnificent residence of 3 floors and 830 square meters built stands out for its striking contemporary architecture and a custom interior design that combines state-of-the-art technology and unparalleled comfort. Every corner of this villa radiates a modern ambience thanks to the fusion of natural and progressive materials. With chic and sophisticated design in every detail.
Thanks, Alex, for enjoying with
atmosphere.
me in this exclusive tour.
Don't miss the opportunity to make this modern villa your new home and favorite home in paradise.
We don't want to show you all the property because we would love that you see it in person.
So, thank you very much. I'm very sure that people will like it.